The king of the universe can call you my brother. The king of the world can call you that he is your friend. Imagine if President Ruto can call him today that you are the friend of him. President Ruto akisema kwamba ni rafiki yake, ni kumaanisha hata mtu akikuchokoza hivi anasema usinichokoze, do you know who I am? I am the name of the president. I can call the president anytime, and the president will arise for my help. The president can come to help me. Our God is more than Kenyatta. Our God is more than Ruto. He's more than Trump, the president of America, and he still can call himself your brother. He still can call himself your friend. What a mighty thing that you have. What a mighty thing. Natembea nikiwa na ushujaa kwa sababu Mungu wangu ni mkubwa kuliko hali zote. Yule ambaye anajiita baba yangu, anajiita rafiki yangu, yule ambaye anajiita ndio rafiki yangu na rafiki